Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I did a video a while back where I put alcohol ink on the vase and then sealed it with resin. Now today I'm going to do essentially the opposite. I'm going to put resin on the vase and then drip alcohol ink onto that and see what kind of fun reactions we can get. So I have this vase on a cup turner and that will just prevent everything from running off. And I pre-cleaned this. I took the label off and then I cleaned it with just some alcohol. Get any dust and prints off of it. I'm going to go ahead and just spread the epoxy on here. This is Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat. Has tons of UV protection. So I plan on this being semi-transparent. So we're going to want that to stay transparent. Go ahead and just put a thin coat over this whole vase. Alright, before I apply the alcohol inks, I am going to go ahead and torch it. Now, when you put alcohol on it, that will get rid of air bubbles, but I'm not sure that I'm going to be covering the entire thing with alcohol. So, we'll go ahead and just get it torched. Alright, now I'm going to go in here with my alcohol inks. And I have two different kinds here. I've got Ranger and then I've got the Pinata. And I'm just going to have some fun with it. I'm going to try not to overdo it. But if I do, I'm not going to worry about it either. Because I can always put a clear coat on top of this. So I'm just going to go ahead and have some fun. Okay, so that's pretty well covered. I really like this. At one point I realized that if I didn't just squeeze it on there, if I actually like kind of shook it, it would get these really fun splatters. I do want to try one other thing to kind of see how it will react, which is to spray some of the isopropyl alcohol on here. And this is mixed with just a smidge of teal mica powder. So, let's see. So I think this will have some fun reactions. And I am correct. Alright. So there we go. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and let this rotate overnight. It is going to change. I don't know how much or how it will change exactly. We won't know till tomorrow. So let's go ahead. We'll let this dry overnight and see how it looks in the morning. All right, guys, we're back. So I let this dry all night long on the turner and then I took it off. It's still at the like, be careful with it stage, but it's dry. Let me see if I can get you guys focused in here. Look how pretty that is. So this is a vase, but you could put lights in it, I think, and it would be gorgeous. Make it into like a lamp. And I used a ton of wild colors, but you can use whatever colors you want, be more subdued. I think I will put another just clear coat of resin over this to help for UV protection. But I'm really, really happy with how this came out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.